Hey guys, it's Brittany and welcome to another Makeup Monday. Today I have a soft gold and purple cut crease for you guys. I posted a picture on my Instagram recently and I got so many people asking for a tutorial. So I decided to do one for Makeup Monday. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Alright, so this video is all about the eyes, so I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes in this video. I'm not going to show foundation and all that, just the eyes. So I'm going to start off by using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm going to use that as my base for my lids. I'm going to go into the ABH Soft Glam palette that I've been raving about for the last like 2 or 3 months. And I'm going to use the color Burnt Orange as my transition shade. I'm currently using a fluffy blending brush from Wet n Wild. These brushes are really good. I actually want to get some more because they have been performing really well and they're really inexpensive. So if you're looking for some affordable brushes, definitely check out the Wet n Wild brushes. Now I'm taking the shade Sienna and I'm going on top of my transition shade, mainly in the crease area and in the outer V to deepen that area. What we're going to be doing is building up the crease, so when we cut the crease we have a nice strong contrast and it's really clean. So we're just going to keep going with different colors. The next color is Burnt Orange again, and I'm just going to be fading out that edge on Sienna so it's a nice blend. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Sienna and Mulberry, which is like a very deep berry color, and that's where the purple vibe is going to come from this cut crease. It's not like a true purple, it's more like a berry color. And I'm going to be using this angled flat brush from Royal and Langnickel, and I'm going to be packing that in my crease. And then I'm going to go back to Burnt Orange and Sienna to blend out that edge and kind of drag it onto my lower lash line just a little bit. I'm just going to be going back and forth with these colors and building it up. I'm going to take this, it's kind of like a bullet tip dome shader brush or something from Royal and Langnickel. I'll list it below all the brushes, the specific names. And I'm just going to put that in the outer V to deepen that area. Then I'm going to go in with Cyprus Umber, which is a dark brown. And I'm going to put that in the outer V as well. Now I'm going to go into Burnt Orange and Sienna again just to blend out the edge of the shadows that I put in my crease so it has a nice transition, and I'm dragging it a little bit onto the lower lash line just like before. And I'm taking a clean brush that came with the Soft Glam palette and just blending that edge. And now I'm going to be cutting the crease with the P. Louise shadow base in 02 Rumour. I just discovered this base a few weeks ago and I think I've tried it 3 times so far and it is amazing. It's made my cut creases look so nice and defined. It's a UK based brand, and I heard about it from Taylor Made. She's an amazing makeup artist, and this is something that she uses with all of her colorful looks, and so I decided to purchase it and it has been great. So with my cut crease, what I'm doing is I'm taking this flat brush that I got from a gift set from NYX, and I'm going above my natural crease line so that you can still see my cut crease even when I'm looking straight at you. So I'm going above my natural crease, and I am carving out my lid and then patting the eyeshadow base on my lid as well. And then I'm going to start applying my shadows. Alright, I'm going to go into another one of my favorite palettes, which is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And I'm going to start off with the shade Gold Dipped. Even though this is a gold color, it's more like a silvery gold. And I'm going to be using this flat brush from Morphe, and I'll put the exact number and stuff in the description box. I'm going to be patting that all over my lid. And now I'm going to go into this beautiful purple shade called Livin Lavish, and I'm going to put that right beside the gold and just start to blend both of those together so it's a nice seamless flow. And I'm also going to be dragging it into the outer V area as well, so everything is nicely blended. And I'm using this flat brush from Wet n Wild. And that's all I'm going to be doing, is just dragging the purple into the gold and then using the gold again just so it's a nice smooth transition. I'm just going back and forth. And I also use the bullet tip brush that I got from Royal Langnickel just to build up that outer V a little bit as well. And I think I was using Mulberry and Cyprus Umber to deepen that. And then I took a clean brush from ABH that came in the palette for the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just blending everything out so it's nice and seamless. As you can see, I'm going back into the gold dip just to make sure everything's nice and blended. And then I'm going to be using the shade Glistening from the Soft Glam palette as my brow bone highlight, and I'm using that flat brush that I use for my cut crease. Place it right under the arch of my brow and kind of drag it down a little bit. And then I'm going to take a clean brush, the other end from that brush that came with the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm taking Mulberry and Cyprus Umber, and I'm going to be dragging those on my lower lash line just to make the look more complete and put together. I'm usually into very voluminous and dramatic lashes, but I did want to go with something subtle. So I went with the Ardell Studio Effects lashes in the wispy style, and they're very easy to apply. So I popped those on, and this is the final look. I didn't include the foundation and the lips and all that because I wanted to focus on the eyes, but I will list everything that I use for the rest of my face in the description box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Makeup Monday look. You guys requested it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other requests for different kinds of looks that you want to see, or different kinds of palettes that you would like me to test out, please let me know, and I will try to do those in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.